Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to analyze competitors with vidIQ. Before we start, if you don't have a vidIQ account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to unlock premium vidIQ features for only $1 for your first month. It's the easiest way to test vidIQ on your own YouTube channel and follow this tutorial step by step. Alright, so first up, go ahead over to the left panel and you'll have research. Okay, so go ahead and click on it. Now go ahead over to channels right here. And as you can see, for this type of niche, okay, for your channel's niche, every competitor will be listed right here, especially to those who are within your subscriber range. Okay, so this channel right here, I have 1.4K or 1,500 followers. As you can see here, we got this competitor right here, which got 1.9K subscriber. Okay, so for this channel's type of niche, I would highly recommend you to get at least a 5,000 follower range. For example, you're currently working on a channel with 0 to 1,000 subscribers. I would highly recommend you to get a competitor that is 5,000 followers or subscribers below. Okay, so this one could be your competitor. This one as well. This one, which got 4.8K subscriber. These ones right here. So you can just go ahead and click on track, and there will be added as a competitor. Or you can click on it and check their recent videos. As you can see, this channel's videos right here got 1.5K views just a week ago, and this one as well. Okay, so what I do, okay, as I have a how-to tutorial channel, I would go ahead and copy the idea of this video and then make a video of mine. Okay, talking or teaching how to fix this specific problem as well. So you could just go ahead and add multiple competitors right here. Okay, maybe this one, track. And then once that's done, you can go ahead over to the left panel and look for the competitors tab. Okay, so you can just click on it. As you can see, I've got a ton of competitors right here. I'm going to select all and deselect my own channel. Just wait for it to load. And as you can see, it's given us a ton of topics that we can go ahead and use for our own video. So for example, we have here, install shaders in Legacy Launcher for Fabric, how to install skin and cape in Minecraft Legacy Launcher, no login, how to install mods in Legacy Launcher, complete guide, and do take note about the time frame as well. So we need to spot viral trends using views per hour. So as you can see here, this video got 11.8 views per hour, and it was posted 3 months ago. And if you're currently in a niche like us, okay, or like what I have in here in this channel, I would highly recommend you to use at least a time frame of just a month. Okay, maximum is 2 months. So for example, this one, you can use this topic, post it, and you still get views. Or maybe this one, how to link Roblox account to Medal. This one got 30.6 views per hour. Okay, by that. And it was just posted a month ago. Now, if you want to make videos about this one, you could go ahead and click on this topic and it will open up the YouTube video. Make sure that you do have the vidIQ extension. And as you can see here, the views in the last 48 hours was 1,372. And when you go ahead and scroll down, here we have the vidIQ scorecard overlay. Click on overview right here and scroll down, find channel tags and video tags especially. You can copy it, okay, and post it on your own video. Basically, all you got to do in this section tag is review it to see exactly which search terms they rank for. So as you can see here, how to link Roblox to Medal, people have been searching for this specific tag. Also, how to link Roblox account to Medal. And this one as well, how to link and connect Roblox. All right. So if you were to make a video, make sure that your video is, of course, updated. Let's say this was posted a month ago. Then there was an update in this specific game. So what you'll do is just go ahead and research, make a better video, make a better thumbnail, and write the best description. Okay. So you have all that here under vidIQ. You can just go ahead and click on generate right here. For example, this topic, just copy it paste it under vidIQ, generate. Just wait for it to load. Now you can go ahead and copy this title. This one is a catchy title. Link your Roblox account to Metal now, and then description right here. Also the tags. If you want to, you can go ahead and copy the best tags from here, like this one. Copy it, paste it right here, and then just copy and paste it to your YouTube studio. All right, scroll down, you'll have a ton of thumbnails. You could use the advanced thumbnail builder. If you want to know more about this one, you can go ahead and check our channel out. We've got a ton of videos about it. All right, so that's just basically how to analyze competitors with vidIQ. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.